Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add photos to your TikTok after recording. So first you need to open up your TikTok app and then click on the plus icon in the bottom bar. And from here you need to record your video. For example, if I record this video. Now after doing that, you need to click on effects and here you will see an image effect. You need to click on this image and from here you need to choose your image. So for example, if I choose this one and now you want to hold the record button, that if I click on the tick button, you can see the preview and there you go. You can see the photo in my TikTok that I have just added after recording the TikTok. So after that you need to click on next and here add your post, hashtags, mention creators, change all of the settings according to your requirements and then click on post. So this is how you can add photo to your TikTok after recording. I hope you found this video useful. Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching.